You may have found all the information you need using opposing viewpoints in context or issues and controversies, but sometimes you need to be more specific or you want a little bit more, and that's where some more article databases come in. So on this page, if you scroll down, you'll see some article databases that are usually useful for students doing this kind of research. If you remember, the topic that I'm researching is the impact of social media on adolescents. I'm concerned that it's addictive, right? I'm concerned TikTok is addictive. And I can remember hearing somewhere that Australia did a ban on social media use for adolescents. And I think I want to learn more about that. So the best place for me to learn about something that recently happened would be a newspaper. I could open a new tab and Google it. I might hit a paywall, but since I'm already here at the library databases, I'm going to jump into our newspaper databases, US Major Dailies, and I'm just going to put Australia and ban and social media. And if you look here at my search, you can see that I have social media in quotes. That's because it's really important for me that those two words show up next to each other in any results, and that I've connected my search terms with this and in all caps. That's there because it's a command to the search engine in this database. Only bring me back results that talk about Australia and a ban and social media. This is called keyword searching, and it's very different from how we search online when we use a Google search or a search that's aided by AI. That's called natural language searching. In that case, you would write a whole sentence, but we're still using library databases, so we're trying to pick out the most important words in our question and put those in the search box. So the first thing I come up with is a video from the New York Times talking about, is Australia's social media ban for kids a good idea? So this, of course, is a opinion piece. So it's instead of being straight news, it's going to give an opinion. Australia bans social media for kids. Teens aren't happy. This is from the Washington Post. And here's one from the Wall Street Journal. Australia adds YouTube to social media bans for young teens. So there's a bunch of stuff here about this social media ban that I wanted to learn more about. I might start with this one because it seems just a little more just factual. And it's giving the reasons for the ban and some more information about the ban. And then, depending on how I want to go with my paper, I might look at this one about, how kids feel about this ban, right? Oh, and this is a video also. So if you're looking at something like this, it's going to show you how to cite the source. They're going to give you some other related kind of articles on it. Oh, sorry, and you can also see this is great because it has a transcript. So you can get the transcript for this as well. So that's just using US Major Dailies to look for news on a topic. The other source that we generally recommend is Academic Search Complete. And so I can do a search like I did before. In this one, I'm not necessarily going to focus on Australia per se. Social. I think I'm going to try and get a little more specific. TikTok and addiction. And it offered me a different option, mental health, and it could be based on the results I get here that I want to change that. But I'm getting 146 results. I'm going to limit to full text because I only want to see results that I can read. So I have 64. Some of these are scholarly journal articles. And there might be some magazine articles as well. And I can limit to the type of articles by clicking source type. So there's like mostly scholarly journal articles, some magazine articles. So if I limit to, peer-reviewed, I'll get scholarly articles. Determining an optimal cutoff point for TikTok addiction using the TikTok addiction scale. I've never heard of that. So I can read this. It's saying to identify an optimal cutoff point for the TikTok addiction scale, to determine when people are actually addicted to TikTok. TikTok addictions and its disorders among the youth of Pakistan. Motivations on TikTok addiction, moderating role of algorithm awareness on young people. Here's something, an association between TikTok use and anxiety, depression, and sleepiness among adolescents, a study in Greece. And so this right here might be helpful for me. It is also showing me some other words I could use if I wasn't able to find enough. So I could do TikTok and mental health. That might give me more results. But this looks helpful to me or interesting. And so if I want this article, I can just click the access options. Usually I like to use a PDF. And once I have it, I can come up here. I can get the citation. Change this to MLA. Right. I can also, download this paper or share it somewhere. So, I mean, I guess if you forgot everything else that I'm talking about today, if you can just remember that the secret to using article databases efficiently is selecting the right database for your question. So thinking about who else is interested in the kind of thing I'm interested in, where does their research live? And there's a list here to get you started. And then also to think about what are the most important words or the keywords in my topic and search using those words. And if you have issues with either one of those things, if you look over here on the right, you can see this chat with a librarian widget. Just click on that. When the library is open, it'll pop out and you're talking to a real live person. We can even Zoom with you and help you really narrow in on what exactly you're trying to find out and where that research lives. So what database you should use for that. All right, good luck.